Hello, Gen Bio students. This is our weekly update. It is March 30th, and I want to let you know what we're planning for this week. We are on Blackboard right now, so let's take a look at that. We are at chapter 14. This is going to be a discussion of how gene expression is controlled, and we're going to talk a little bit about prokaryotes and a little bit about eukaryotes. And tomorrow, we're going to talk via a Google Hangout, and I've sent that invitation out to you already. So we will meet online at 12:30 tomorrow, and then I will post some additional lectures for you to view on Thursday. We are going to have exam 3 next week. Also, make sure that you go online and you can see the PowerPoint slides here. There's a McGraw-Hill assignment due. Tomorrow after class, I'm going to launch a Socrative quiz, and you'll have till the end of the day, Tuesday the 31st, to complete that. I hope this helps. I hope everyone is staying well, and I will talk to you tomorrow.